Hello friends! So, is your car producing excessive black smoke or maybe struggling with power loss? If your vehicle has code P0478, it means there's a problem with the exhaust pressure control valve or EPCV, high input, which can seriously affect your engine's efficiency and emissions. In this video, I'll explain what P0478 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0478 code stands for Exhaust Pressure Control Valve High Input. This means that the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected a high voltage signal from the exhaust pressure control system. This could be due to a stuck valve, sensor malfunction, or a wiring issue. Ignoring this issue can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, higher emissions, and potential engine damage. Common symptoms of P0478 include the check engine light coming on, excessive black smoke from the exhaust, poor acceleration and engine hesitation, high fuel consumption, and unstable idling or a rough running engine. To diagnose P0478, you need to locate these components. First up, the exhaust pressure control valve, or EPCV, is typically found on or near the exhaust manifold or turbocharger. Next, the exhaust backpressure sensor, or EBPS, is usually mounted on the exhaust manifold or within the EGR system. Then you've got the wiring harness and connectors, which run between the EPCV, EBPS, and the ECU. And finally, the exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR system, which is found near the intake manifold and works to control emissions. Just a quick tip, this issue is more common in turbocharged diesel engines. Alright, so let's talk about some of the most common causes of that P0478 code. First, a faulty exhaust pressure control valve, or EPCV, can be the culprit. If it's stuck open or closed, it might cause those high voltage readings. Next, a defective exhaust back pressure sensor, or EBPS, could be sending incorrect signals to the ECU. And then, wiring or connector issues like corrosion, damage, or just loose connections can easily disrupt signals too. Now, carbon buildup in the EPCV can restrict its movement and lead to improper pressure control. Finally, sometimes an ECU software malfunction is to blame, and that might mean you need an update or a bit of reprogramming to fix those false readings. So, how do you actually fix a P0478 code? Well, first, use an OBD-II scanner to verify the code. Then inspect the EPCV valve. Look for any damage or carbon buildup. Next, test the exhaust back pressure sensor, and if it's faulty, go ahead and replace it. After that, check all the wiring and connectors to make sure they're clean, secure, and not corroded. If the EPCV is clogged, cleaning or replacing it might do the trick. And if needed, update the ECU. Sometimes a software update is all you need to fix those false signals. Finally, clear the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. The P0478 code is usually caused by a faulty EPCV, a wiring issue, or a sensor failure. Fixing it will restore your engine performance, reduce emissions, and even improve fuel efficiency. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0228, throttle or pedal position sensor circuit high, and P0229, turbocharger boost pressure regulation control. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.